Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. XML parsing errors, diagnosis, prevention, and quick fixes, with code examples. XML, extensible markup language, is a powerful and versatile markup language used for representing and transporting data. However, its strict syntax rules can make it prone to parsing errors. Encountering an XML parsing error can be frustrating, halting your application's process and leaving you scrambling for a solution. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through the common causes of XML parsing errors, how to diagnose them, and provide actionable quick fixes with illustrative code examples in various programming languages. Understanding XML and its structure. Before diving into errors, let's establish a foundation. Elements the fundamental building blocks of XML. They consist of a start tag, content, which can be other elements, text, or mixed, and an end tag. Example, Book the Lord of the Rings /book. Attributes provide additional information about an element. They are placed within the start tag. Example, book genre equals fantasy. Root element every XML document must have a single, top-level element called the root element. All other elements are nested within it. Well-formedness a well-formed XML document adheres to the strict syntax rules. This is a fundamental requirement for parsing. Validity a valid XML document conforms to a specific schema, DTD or XML schema definition, XSD. Validity is optional, a document can be well-formed without being valid. 2. Common causes of XML parsing errors. Here are the most frequent culprits behind XML parsing issues. 1. Missing or mismatched tags the most common error. Every start tag must have a corresponding end tag, and they must be properly nested. For example, 2. Invalid attribute values attribute values must be enclosed in single or double quotes. Special characters within attribute values must be properly escaped. 3. Improper nesting of elements elements must be nested hierarchically. Overlapping tags are not allowed. 4. Invalid characters certain characters are reserved in XML and must be represented by their corresponding entities or character references. Less than and LT. Greater than and GT. And, ampersand and amp. Double quote end quote. Single quote and oppose. For example, 5. Invalid XML declaration the XML declaration, example XML version equals 1.0 encoding equals UTF-8, should be the first line of the document, unless there's a byte order mark, BOM. Incorrect encoding declarations can also cause problems. 6. Witty space issues while XML parsers generally ignore insignificant witty space, excessive or improperly placed witty space within tags or attribute values can sometimes lead to parsing errors. 7. Illegal characters some characters are simply not allowed in XML documents, even if escaped. Control characters, ASCII 0 to 31, are a prime example, excluding tab, carriage return, and line feed. 8. Invalid document type declaration, DTD if a DTD is specified, using, doc type, the document must conform to the DTD rules. Errors in the DTD itself or violations of its constraints will result in parsing failures. 9. Invalid XML schema, XSD if the XML document is validated against an XSD, it must adhere to the schema's rules regarding data types, element structure, and attribute constraints. Schema validation errors are very common. 10 Encoding problems asterisk if the XML document is encoded in a different character encoding than declared, or assumed by the parser, parsing errors can occur. Common encodings include UTF-8, UTF-16, and ISO 8859-1. 11-byte order mark, BOM, conflicts asterisk a BOM is a special character that indicates the byte order, NDNS, of a Unicode text file. If a BOM is present but doesn't match the declared encoding, problems can arise. 3. Diagnosing XML parsing errors. Pinpointing the exact cause of an XML parsing error is crucial for a quick fix. Here's a systematic approach. 1. Read the error message carefully asterisk most XML parsers provide error messages that indicate the line number, column number, and a description of the problem. These messages are your primary source of information. Pay close attention to the line and column numbers because that narrows the area. The message might contain a description like mismatched tag or invalid character. To use an XML validator/linter asterisk online XML validators or linters can automatically check your XML document for well-formedness and, optionally, validity. They often provide more detailed error reports than your application's parser. Some popular online validators include *XML validator, https://www.xmlvalidation.com/ https://www.xmlvalidation.com *free formatter XML validator, https://www.freeformatter.com/xmlvalidator.html https://www.freeformatter.com/xml-validator.html 3. Examine the XML document structure * manually inspect the XML document, especially around the line and column number indicated in the error message. Look for *missing or mismatched tags, *incorrect attribute values, *improper nesting, *reserved characters, *encoding problems. 4. Use a debugger, if applicable. If you're parsing the XML programmatically, step through the code with a debugger to examine the XML parser's state and error messages. This is particularly helpful when dealing with complex XML documents. 5. Simplify the XML * if the XML is large and complex, try to isolate the problem by removing sections of the XML document until the error disappears. This can help you pinpoint the problematic area. 4. Quick fixes with code examples. Now, let's look at practical quick fixes for common XML parsing errors, along with code examples in different programming languages. 1. Missing or mismatched tags. Diagnosis the error message will typically say mismatched tag, expected end tag, or similar. Fix carefully compare start and end tags. Ensure that they match and that all elements are properly closed. Example, Python. 2. Invalid attribute values. Diagnosis the error message might mention invalid attribute value or expected a quote. Fix enclose attribute values in single or double quotes. Escape special characters within attribute values. Example, JavaScript. 3. Improper nesting of elements. Diagnosis the error message will typically indicate invalid nesting or overlapping tags. Fix ensure that elements are nested hierarchically. The end tag of an inner element must appear before the end tag of an outer element. Example, Java. Corrected XML *. 4. Invalid characters. Diagnosis the error message might refer to invalid character or illegal character. Fix replace reserved characters with their corresponding entities, and LT, and GT, and AMP, and quote, and oppose. Remove or encode illegal characters. Example, c. 5. Invalid XML declaration. Diagnosis the parser might complain about invalid XML declaration or document is invalid. Fix ensure that the XML declaration is the first line of the document. Verify the version and encoding attributes. Use a valid encoding value, example UTF-8. Example, PHP. 6. Encoding problems. Diagnosis characters might appear as gibberish, or the parser might report invalid character or encoding error. Fix check encoding declaration ensure that the encoding attribute in the XML declaration matches the actual encoding of the file. If no encoding is specified, the parser usually assumes UTF-8 or UTF-16. Save the file in the correct encoding. Use a text editor that allows you to specify the character encoding when saving the XML file. Choose the encoding declared in the XML declaration, example UTF-8. Explicitly specify encoding in the parser. Many XML parsers allow you to explicitly specify the character encoding when parsing the document. Example, Python, explicit encoding. In this example, since the XML declares ISO 8859-1, we tell Python that if we didn't and the default encoding was UTF-8, we'd get a parse error. Preventive measures to avoid XML parsing errors. Prevention is better than cure. Here are some best practices to minimize XML parsing errors. 1. Use a good text editor or IDE. Choose a text editor or IDE that provides syntax highlighting and validation for XML. These tools can help you catch errors early. Some examples are Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text with XML plugins, and IntelliJ IDEA. 2. Follow strict coding standards. Establish and adhere to consistent coding standards for XML documents. This helps ensure that XML documents are well formed. 3. Use XML schema, XSD, or DTD for validation. Define an XML schema, XSD, or DTD to describe the structure and data types of your XML documents. Validate your XML documents against the schema to ensure that they conform to the defined rules. This is the most effective way to prevent data integrity issues. 4. Escape reserved characters properly. Always remember to escape reserved characters like and. 5. Choose the correct encoding and be consistent. Select an appropriate character encoding, UTF-8 is generally recommended, and ensure that the XML declaration and the actual file encoding match. 6. Test with different parsers. Test your XML documents with different XML parsers to ensure that they are compatible. Some parsers are more lenient than others. 7. Log XML parsing errors. Implement robust error handling in your XML parsing code to catch and log any parsing errors. This makes it easier to diagnose and fix problems. 8. Automate XML generation. If you are generating XML programmatically, use XML libraries or frameworks that provide built-in validation and escaping mechanisms. This can help prevent errors from being introduced during the generation process. 9. Use version control. Store your XML files in a version control system, example Git. This allows you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others more effectively. By understanding the common causes of XML parsing errors, adopting a systematic approach to diagnosis, and implementing preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering these frustrating problems. Remember to always consult the error messages provided by the XML parser and leverage XML validators to identify and correct errors efficiently. Good luck.